Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to make a sausage gravy. This would go really well over my biscuit recipe. It is absolutely amazing. So these are the ingredients you will need, not too many. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now this is a half recipe. So I had half of breakfast sausage in the freezer, and then last night I just took it out so it would thaw out. So you need half a pound of that, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of half and half, and a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. And you're going to need a dash of garlic powder, salt, and we're going to put a lot of pepper in there. But I'll show you as we go, okay? This will make about 3 servings. So if you want to double it, you can. Alright guys, so you want to put your half pound of breakfast sausage in there and just tenderize it here with your meat tenderizer. And then you can go ahead and start heating this up and brown it. Alright guys, now that it's browned, you're going to go ahead and add your cream cheese and melt it with your sausage. Alright guys, so the cream cheese is melted, it's all mixed in with the sausage, and now you're going to add your 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup of half and half. I like to keep the half and half out also because it just depends on how you like your gravy. If you like it thicker, you might not need as much half and half. You might not need any more actually. Or if you like it a little bit less thick, then you want to add a little bit more half and half. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add the creams. This is your heavy whipping cream. And then your half and half just so it doesn't get so thick. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and mix all this together. Okay, so now that it's all mixed together, you're gonna let it heat up a little bit and thicken up. If it's too runny for you, you could add a little more heavy whipping cream. If it's too thick, then you can add a little more half and half. So that's kind of like why I kind of like to do that balance of a little bit more heavy whipping cream, which is 1/3 cup, and then 1/4 cup of half and half, okay? So we're going to let it bubble up and thicken up, okay? Alright guys, as you can tell, it's thickening up here. Just mixing it around now. I'm going to go ahead and lower the temp here, and then we're going to start adding our seasonings. Alright, at this point I always like to bring out my 1/8 teaspoon. And I already put the garlic pepper in there. So, but this is kind of, to me, is like a dash. So I put that in there. I'm going to also put 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add lots of pepper. I really don't measure that out. Depends on how spicy you like it. But I do like lots of pepper in my gravy. Hey guys, so all of my seasonings are in there. I mixed it up. I still have it on low. Let it bubble just for like a minute or so, and then I'll turn it off. I already taste tested it. It is perfect. And then I'm going to put this over one of my yummy biscuits with a couple of eggs that are already cooking. Alright guys, I heated up one of my biscuits, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my sausage gravy over it, and I've got 2 eggs over easy. Alright guys, there you go. That biscuit is under there. Such a yummy breakfast. Alright guys, there you go. One more time, one more look with my eggs on there. This is so yummy. I love this breakfast, one of my favorites. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys make it. Leave a comment if you do.